Java. Once upon a time in Central Java, there's a widow that lived in poverty. The widow had a son with a body shaped like a pot. In Central Java, the pot is called Kendil. And because the son had a body shaped like Kendil, it is known as Joko Kendil. Even though her son had a body shaped like Kendil, the mother never felt ashamed or regret having him as a son. Besides, she actually loved him so much. When Joko Kendil was little, Joko Kendil is same like other children at his age. He is a little boy with a funny nature. After years, Joko Kendil finally became an adult man. Joko Kendil wanted to express his feeling to her mother that he wanted to get married, but the mother said that who would want to marry a man who has a body shape like Kendil? Then the mother became even more confused when Joko Kendil says that he only willing to marry a king's daughter. Finally, the mother and Joko Kendil came into the king's castle. The king has 3 daughters. The first one named Dewi Kantil. The second was Dewi Mawa, and the last one was Dewi Mati. At the first time, Dewi Mawa openly rejected Joko Kendil because she doesn't want to marry a man who has a body shape like a Kendil. And the second one, Dewi Mawa, openly rejected him too. She only wanted to marry a prince with a handsome face. And last one, Dewi Melati, is accepting the proposal of Joko Kendil. And then finally, Joko Kendil is getting married to Dewi Melati. And then Joko Kendil had a happy life with her wife. But suddenly, the king is making a contest. But Joko Kendil cannot participate because he was sick. And then the Dewi Melati had to sit alone in the chair with all of her sisters. And then a handsome prince came, and then her sisters mocked him that you should marry this handsome prince, not Joko Kendil. He was a weird guy who has a body shape like Kendil. Why would you marry him? And then Dewi Melati is sad and finally leave the arena. And then he came back to her room. And then he found a pot in her room. And then he destroyed it. Then suddenly a handsome man appeared. And then Dewi Melati is surprised. And then asked, "Who are you?" Then the man says that I am Joko Kendil. I am your husband. If somebody loves me with full of her heart, he will go back at his original state. And then finally, Dewi Melati is rushed to hug her husband. And then the 2 sisters is felt ashamed and jealous of his little sister's fortune. The end.